Happy learning!
Hello kiddos, let's write the small letter V. Let's start. Start from the middle and make a slanting line down to the right. And then make a slanting line up to the right. Let's try it again. Slanting line down to the right. Slanting line up to the right. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Yes, well done. Now you know how to write the small letter V. Next time, we will write the small letter W. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.